we're getting set up on this job site today. We just had a semi of material delivered, and all this pipe, we couldn't get it down the driveway. So, and then these caps are for another job going on right now. So we're gonna actually bring that down in a second load on a different truck, and you'll see why. We're quite a ways up the driveway here, and it's just too narrow. Those are 20-foot sticks of material. Pick up here at the bottom of the driveway. Part of these job sites, there's a lot that goes into planning and equipment mobilization. This is one of 3 machines that we're going to have on this job site here. You can see we have the majority of our material here. Most of the wall block, it's about, well, actually that's about half the wall blocks. And we have 18 treads here and 1 pallet of the caps. We'll probably have 2 more pallets of caps and blocks here. This is a little bit tricky of access. Overall, it's good, but it's just, we are working on the water side down there, so we're going to need to use most likely a smaller machine to get down here past some of the obstacles, utilities and stuff, to get all this material down to the water site. We'll show you the water site here in just a second. We are going to add irrigation up in this pre-existing landscape area up top here, down below by the water, and then throughout the new landscape. You can see right here we have septic lids. So the tanks come up here and it pumps all the way up the driveway, way up to the entrance, way up top there. You can see also we have pretty narrow access. We should be able to get a skid loader through here. We're just going to have to trim up these bushes on the side to get back over here. We have a dog run that's going to get installed in here. We're going to replace that old basalt wall, and those steps are going away. We're going to put a nice short fencing around here, a big piece of synthetic turf, and the new entrance to the house. You can see the water's right here. The new entrance to the house is going to come off the deck up top. We're going to have nice steps coming down and then landing here. So there's too much drop. So we needed to expand the steps out further to make it more user-friendly. And then we're going to have a new Diamond Pro wall coming from the house over to this point and then running back over here. You can see that there's going to be a lot of new earth that needs to be installed right here in structure. Coming back up this direction, on the side of the deck, there's some old railroad ties that are going to come out. We're going to dig this down and install some geogrid material underneath and midway up the wall. This runs back, well, actually it runs all the way back over to the end of the deck right there. So that's all getting ripped out and reinstalled. We hope you enjoy this project. It's going to be a fun one, and you'll see the whole process. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, press the subscribe or the follow button. We'll see you on the next update.